I'm going to go through how the Grassling timer works on the Hero⁸. In the new Hero⁸, we have a new Grassling timer. It's quartz backed, so basically if you get a power cut out, the timer still runs. It has a dust cover on the front. Take the dust cover off. You have an outer edge, which is a 24-hour clock, and you have the inner edge, which is the actual set time. As you turn this round, that is now set to midnight. If I want this unit to come on at midnight, you push the dials out all the way around to 12. That means when you go past 24, which is midnight, the unit clicks on and will stay on all the way around to midday. When you get to midday, the lights will kick off and the heater sockets will come on. So the heater sockets will now stay on all the way around to midnight, and at midnight the heater sockets will turn off and the lights will kick on. You've got this little switch in the middle. If you push it to the bottom, the unit is completely off. If you push it to the top, it ignores the timer and stays on completely all the time. If it's in the middle, that means it works from the timer. Again, just push these back in and then set the timer as you wish. Put the dust cover back on, stops any dust getting back in the timer. If you want any more information on the Hero⁸, jump on the Micro website. Cheers guys.